first ride in the 65 dually. There she is. It took, how many months? 9 months. But that's our idea. If Chevrolet had done a dually in 65. We still got some wax on a few places we got to wipe off. We have polished and cut and buffed. But it's red. Still a little dirty on the inside. It ain't all the way clean yet, but get an idea where we're at. There's our wood bed. It's dusty. We ain't had a chance to clean it yet. And we got to get it back to David tomorrow. So we're gonna be have to get on it in the morning and do a few things. Got a dirty tire we gotta clean, I see. Well, looks good. Sounds good. We got a long drive with it tomorrow. It's dusty. We'll clean it again. But you got vintage air, aluminum radiator, and it's a dandy unit.